Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID verification. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, type on settings. Now type on forget password. If you have forgotten, type on forget. Type on Apple ID. Reset by email. Answer security question. I'm sending reset by email. So check your email. Open it. As you can see, I have received email from Apple. Scroll down, reset now, and type here your new password and type reset password. As you can see, Apple ID has been changed password. So thanks for watching.